We continue with this methods of preparation of alcohols, and today we'll be doing a very important method of preparation, which is preparation of alcohols from, I'll be just using another marker I think, from Grignard's reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard's reagent is one of the very important methods of preparation for alcohols. First things first, let's try to understand what is this Grignard's reagent. The general formula is RMgX. इस Grignard's reagent में एक alkyl group होता है, there is magnesium present in it, and there is a halogen atom. Right? Now let's try to understand the chemistry of this. Bond carbon atom of alkyl group है, and then we have Mg here. Right? Now this carbon atom, इसकी जो electronegativity है, it is low as compared to other electronegative elements. It is equivalent to 2.5, I guess. Yes, 2.5. However, this magnesium is electropositive. Its electronegativity is very low. It is around 1.2. Right? Because of which इनके बीच में जो shared pair of electrons है, it is more towards carbon. Since it's more towards carbon, this bond is highly polar. Because of the polarity of this bond, we are able to prepare alcohols from Grignard's reagent. Because when we use Grignard's reagent, we have an intermediate carbene ion formed here. And the formation of carbene ion is the part of the process, part of the method of preparation, and the formation of carbene ion is possible only because of this electronegativity difference, because of which Grignard's reagent में this alkyl group always remains delta minus and this remains delta positive. We have a negative charge on the carbon atom in the intermediate. It serves as a good possibility of formation of carbene ion. That is how we are able to prepare alcohols. Let's take a look at the reactions and try to understand the mechanism. Detailed mechanism आपको इसका करना नहीं है. Let's just go through the steps. Okay, हम Grignard's reagent किसके साथ use करते हैं? We use, the reaction is between carbonyl compounds and Grignard's reagent. Carbonyl compounds में यहाँ again we have aldehydes and ketones. Will be reacting an aldehyde or a ketone with Grignard's reagent RMgX, and we'll see how an alcohol is prepared. The general reaction, I'll take just C double bond O. It can be a part of an aldehyde, it can be a part of a ketone. Now this C double bond in itself is polar. इसमें यहाँ पे delta negative charge है, carbon delta positive है, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, right? And plus we are adding a Grignard's reagent RMgX. In this RMgX, Mg is delta positive, therefore this is delta negative. And how does the reaction take place? Reaction takes place like this. Positive negative attack, so that the extra pair moves towards oxygen. And when that happens, I will write down carbon as such. We started with this carbon, हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. We'll open this double bond into two single bonds. On one side we have oxygen. Since it's negatively charged, to it will be linked the positive part of Grignard's reagent OMgX. Right? What are we left with? We are left with R. The whole RGMX is added to the carbonyl group. Nothing is lost. R भी add हो गया, OMgX भी add हो गया. That is why this intermediate compound is called as the addition product. Right? After that, इस addition product की hydrolysis हो जाती है. We are adding water which leads to cleavage. The process is called as hydrolysis. And by hydrolysis, what are our products? Our products are, again I'll write down carbon as such, right? We have R अपनी ही जगह पे and O with hydrogen, right? In place of MgX, this MgX is replaced by hydrogen, so that the product formed is alcohol. The byproduct is you have Mg, which is linked to X already here, and it's also linked to OH. Magnesium halide in its basic form, magnesium halide in its basic state. हमें मतलब इससे an alcohol is formed like this. Carbonyl plus RMgX gives us an addition product जिसकी hydrolysis हम करेंगे and we get an alcohol. That is how we prepare alcohols from Grignard's reagent. Now, what is important about it, why I have written it's important is whether a primary alcohol will be formed or a secondary alcohol will be formed or a tertiary alcohol will be formed, it depends on which kind of the carbonyl compound you are starting with, right? Let's see what happens. The first thing you need to remember is अगर आप अपनी reaction start कर रहे हो with formaldehyde, the first member of aldehydes. If you're starting with formaldehyde, if your carbonyl compound is formaldehyde, you will get a 1 degree alcohol, right? Let's do it. Let's do the reaction. This is formaldehyde, right? We are adding, I'll choose the simplest Grignard's reagent, CH3MgX, right? What we get is hydrogen अपनी जगह, carbon अपनी जगह, hydrogen अपनी जगह. We'll open up this into two bonds. We have OMgX here. Let's substitute it with Br. One of the most common halogen atoms in Grignard's reagent is Br. And we have CH3 here. The whole thing is added. Carbon पे यहाँ पे attack हो गया CH3 का because it's negative here, carbon is positive. Oxygen is negative, this part is positive. Therefore, oxygen got linked to the positive part. Everything got added, that is why this is called as the addition product. Next step, hydrolysis of the addition product. When you do that, carbon अपनी जगह, hydrogen अपनी जगह, hydrogen, दूसरा hydrogen भी अपनी जगह, your CH3 at its own place, in place of OMgBr, you have OH, right? We have another product which is MgXOH, basic magnesium bromide in this specific reaction. Let's rewrite this. What is this compound basically? CH3, CH2OH. अगर हम इसको condensed form में लिखेंगे, this is carbon number 1 जिस पे alcohol है, this is carbon number 2. The compound formed is ethanol, right? The point to remember this, when you start with formaldehyde, you get a 1 degree alcohol. You'll be preparing a primary alcohol. So if by reacting a carbonyl compound with Grignard's reagent, you're asked to produce a product which is a primary alcohol, what will you start with? You will start with formaldehyde, the first member of aldehydes. Then only you will get a 1 degree alcohol, right? Next thing to remember here is, अब अगर आपको secondary alcohol बनाना है, कैसे बनाएंगे secondary alcohol? What do you start with? The second thing, okay, this is blue. Just a moment, please. I'll need another marker. Okay. Second thing you remember is, when you start with an aldehyde other than HCHO, like acetaldehyde, other than formaldehyde, you will get a 2 degree alcohol. अगर आपकी requirement ये है कि आपको secondary alcohol बनाना है, you will start with another aldehyde like acetaldehyde. We'll do this. C double bond O, we have CH3 here, we have H here. This is an aldehyde, but which aldehyde? Acetaldehyde, right? It is very easy to understand the whole mechanism. We'll use the same Grignard's reagent CH3MgBr. We have understood the chemistry. This is negatively charged, this is positively charged. This is negatively charged, this is positively charged, because of which I'll write down C like that. It's CH3 just like that. It's hydrogen just like that. In place of double bond O, two single bonds. We have OMgBr here and we have CH3 here. What is this? Again, it is an addition product. Right? Since this is an addition product, इसकी हम hydrolysis करेंगे. Addition of water and cleavage takes place. What happens is C अपनी जगह, CH3 अपनी जगह, हाइड्रोजन भी अपनी जगह, दूसरा CH3 भी अपनी जगह, O के साथ H. We have an alcohol, right? Let's write it down in a condensed form, in a simpler form. The compound is basically CH3CH, CH3OH, right? So you did prepare alcohol, which is the reaction basically. Reaction between carbonyl compound and Grignard's reagent will give you alcohol. But what you remember is, since you started with an aldehyde other than formaldehyde, you started with acetaldehyde, your product is not just an alcohol, it is a 2-degree alcohol. So if this is the requirement, हमें Grignard's reagent and carbonyl compound की reaction का product होना चाहिए 2-degree alcohol, you will start with acetaldehyde. What is the name? Propan-2-ol, right? And if your requirement is a tertiary alcohol, what do? This is what we do. We start with ketones. This is why the reaction is important. This is the information you have to remember. If you have to prepare a 3-degree tertiary alcohol by this method, your starting carbonyl compound must be a ketone. What is a ketone? I'll jump to the specific reaction. We'll start with the simplest one, acetone, right? This is ketone. We'll use the same Grignard's reagent, CH3MgBr. Once again, we know the chemistry. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, because of which an addition product like this is possible. Open the double bond OMgBr and we have CH3 of Grignard's reagent here. Now carrying out its hydrolysis, H positive H2O. What happens is carbon अपनी जगह, acetone का CH3 यहाँ पे, acetone का अपना CH3 यहाँ पे, CH3 of Grignard's reagent here and OH. This OMgBr to OH. If we write it down in a simplified manner, what is this compound? It is CH3 C CH3 CH3OH. Indeed an alcohol, but which type of an alcohol? It is a tertiary alcohol or 3-degree alcohol. As far as the IUPAC name is concerned, you can name it very well, 2-methyl propan-2-ol. But what is our concern here is that we are able to prepare a 3-degree alcohol by the reaction of Grignard's reagent with ketone. You have to start with a ketone, then only you can prepare 3-degree alcohol by this reaction. One thing I want you to remember is, आपका जो product होगा उसमें requirement क्या होगी, उसी हिसाब से आप अपना aldehyde या ketone choose करेंगे, उसी हिसाब से आप अपना Grignard's reagent choose करेंगे. Requirement से मतलब carbon atoms. What kind of carbon atoms, how many carbon atoms you need in the product, accordingly you will choose your starting carbonyl compound, accordingly you will choose your Grignard's reagent. You can use C2H5 here because it has to be an R group, it can be a methyl group, it can be an ethyl group, etc. Or you can use a different ketone if you need a different alcohol, right?